Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fashion haul video for you guys, and I'm super excited because Fashion Nova is having their Black Friday sale. Everything will be 50 to 80% on everything on their site. This is not gonna last forever, so definitely check them out. I'll link everything down below. I love when they have sales. That's basically when I go on their site and add a bunch of stuff that I want in my cart and I purchase my items because they sell out so quick. Also, make sure you check the link down below for any information. I am super excited, so let's go ahead and get started on this fashion haul video. Alright, so these are the first outfit that I am wearing. These are Fashion Nova jeans, and the top. The jeans are called Walking Away Distressed Skinny Jeans, and the top is called Makenna Henley Tank Top. I actually have this tank top in a gray as well, and I wanted to get this in different colors because I really like how it looked on me. The jeans are amazing. I love how they looked. I like the distress that they have on it. The back looks amazing as well. I really like these jeans, how they hug my body. I really love these jeans. I could actually dress them up or dress them down depending on how I feel that day. If I'm going out for drinks or, going out to like the beach, anything, I can actually dress these up or dress these down. I really like the jeans. I got them in a size 9 and the top is a size medium. So I really am digging this outfit. Next outfit, these jeans are my favorite jeans from the ones that I chose. I love them because they're high-waisted as well. I think that I can never go wrong with high-waisted. I don't know if I said it right. Because since I've gotten my surgery, I feel like normal jeans don't fit me well from the back. I feel like they just kind of pop out right here. But these jeans are beautiful. I really like it. I feel sexy in them, especially because of the ripped, the stress that it has in it. The color is perfect. This top, I will list the names down below. I totally forgot to save the tags because I already wore this. So, and sorry if I keep looking down. It's because I have the other camera filming the outfit. So, yeah. So I did wear it, like I said. This top is so cute. I really love it. Long sleeve crop top, and then it shows enough, so I really like it. I really feel sexy in this outfit. I really loved it when I wore it this weekend. So that's what it looks like. The color is perfect. I feel like I can wear my Air Forces with them and look cute. So this is the other outfit that I picked. Let's go ahead and try on the next one. All right, so this next outfit, the jeans are called Daredevil High Rise Skinny Jeans in a size 9. And the top is called Alaya Cami Top. I love this top. I have it in a white as well. So I kind of wanted to get it in a different color just so I can have 2 options. These jeans, I mean, I love these jeans. The material is nice because it's like stretchy. I feel like I could go down a size, like a size 7, but I don't want to be too tight. But I like the material. It's very comfortable. I really like the jeans. I've gotten these jeans before, but I needed to get them again just so that I can have backups, because when Fashion Nova is having a sale, girl, you need to go and get these jeans, those tops, everything, because you can't miss out. Especially right now that they're gonna have their Black Friday sale. You definitely want to stack up on your clothes. So this is what the jeans look like. I said, I can never go wrong with high-waisted. I like it that it covers wherever it's supposed to cover. And yeah, so I've been really digging crop tops. So I've been wearing a lot of crop tops lately. So yeah, so this is what this outfit looks like. All right, so I am wearing the size medium. This is a Show Some Knowledge off-shoulder bodysuit. This is what it looks like from the top, and this is what it looks like from the back. I still have the tag from the jeans. The jeans are the same ones as the first time I showed you guys before this one. The classic high-waisted skinny jeans in medium blue wash. So this is a little bit darker. So the top is a medium. The jeans are a size 9. And yeah, like I say, you can never go wrong with these jeans. They're very comfortable. I like them. You know, they're stretchy. They feel really good. The crop tops. The bodysuits I love. I feel really sexy in them when I wear bodysuits. Before I couldn't wear bodysuits, but now that I can, I really love them. Especially if you want to wear a faja, they will be hidden, like, because of the bodysuit. I'm not wearing one now, but yeah, that's what those look like in the crop top. What do I keep saying crop top? The bodysuit. That's what it looks like. Long sleeve. I mean, I'll definitely change my bra to a different color, but yeah, that's what the bra is wearing now. But yeah, that's what this bodysuit looks like with the jeans. I really like how that looks. So I hope you guys enjoy this try on haul. Thank you guys again so much for watching, for all the love and support. Let me know what other outfits you would like me to try. I did try bodysuits. I mean, I tried the two-piece, and you guys really like that. I really like them. Let me know what other types would you guys like to see. Maybe dresses for the holidays, maybe. You know, that would be cute. So let me know what you guys think. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.